Okay, so you get your sock, Kings of NY sock, of course. What you want to do is first cut off both ends, cut them all the way through, and as you can see, get some threads coming through. Cut the cuff area a little bit lower so you don't have too much on the ends of your ear after you make the ear hole. And then you flatten the sock out so that the heel is facing up, and you cut the edges for the ear hole about an inch and a half in, not too big, just about an inch and a half, as you can see. Then you fold it back out, and that's it. I mean, that's pretty much it. That's how you wear it. And that's it. And you have yourself a face mask. Kings of NY sock face mask. And here I am displaying this mask for you. Simple, easy, now, preferably with a clean sock.